Hey guys, this is Neil and today I'm taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Infini. So let's get started. The Soundcore Infini is Anker's first full-size soundbar, packing 100 watts of often thunderous audio into a sleek design of only 35 inches, so it won't seem too out of place with TVs 37 inches or above. With a variety of connection options, you are covered for most playback setups straight out of the box, be it your TV, projector, or Bluetooth straight from your phone, tablet or laptop. RCA and optical cables are included, alongside an infrared remote and wall mounting brackets, though weirdly wall plugs and screws were not included. A helpful wall mounting template is provided, but for those not DIY inclined, the soundbar is designed to be just as effective on a suitable flat surface. While connection modes and volume level can be controlled direct from the soundbar, ability to mute and change equalizer settings do need to be completed via remote. The Soundcore Infini is a 2.1 channel soundbar, the 0.1 referencing a built-in subwoofer. Well, two in fact, alongside dual tweeters and bass ports. Also featuring Anker's bass-up technology, deeper bass and richer tones are delivered compared to the speakers of a standard slimline TV. The following are some clips showing the Infini in action. While audio recorded via a mic is often subjective, I think the sound differences do speak for themselves.
Motion man is Allen. White sets up as a receiver. Brady will throw. Finds a soft spot. 8th play of the drive. Brady on a quick hitter. They got the first down. Edelman. He takes it in. Touchdown, Patriots. Edelman would not go down. Adrian Amos could not. Ground. Cohen in the slot. Trubisky steps up. Trubisky can run. He's got a... Santos replaced Shanfikin, who replaced Drew Ryan from 45 to take the lead. And with the injury to Breida and still on the sideline, Mostert gets in there. First down and 10. And with a shovel pass. Mostert here. And they opens.
After using for around 2 weeks now, this soundbar is certain to become a permanent fixture alongside my Panasonic TV. Design wise, the soundbar is solidly built, looks slick, and makes for easy maintenance compared to fabric covered versions. The notch for cables to be fed to power sockets and to your TV, whether flat or wall mounted, is also a nice touch. On the whole, the audio output is superb, punchy, with great tone and bass, which is the point of a soundbar. The equalizer modes had hit and miss moments though. Music mode provided the most balanced soundstage for films, music and general TV, without any residing dialogue being overshadowed. Movie mode was okay for your all-out actioner, but often overshadowed dialogue. And dialogue mode? Well, dialogue is more prominent, but at the expense of sounding a bit too tinny. There is also a service port on this soundbar, which leaves the possibility that the equalizer settings and the like could be improved through future firmware updates like other speakers in the Soundcore range. It's also slightly disappointing that you are not able to view the current audio level when using the soundbar. Only maximum or minimum volume can be determined by a solid white LED fade out. Introduction of an LED display, or even better, app integration, would be good in the next generation model. Plus, it would help to cut down on the ever increasing stack of remotes we normally build up from our devices. At £119, the Soundcore Infini is not the cheapest on the market, nor is it the most expensive. However, if you are in the market to beef up your TV audio experience, or just want a powerful Bluetooth speaker for rocking out your tunes, the Soundcore Infini is certainly one I would recommend. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below.